Today we're unboxing the Poly Studio V12, our latest all-in-one USB bar designed to elevate your Microsoft Teams meeting rooms on Windows. Inside the box, you're going to find everything that you need to get started with your new Poly V12. So let's take a look at what we've got. Firstly, when we take it out of the box, the best thing that we've got here is sustainable packaging. This is essentially like recycled cardboard. Here's the V12 itself. Sleek, compact, and an all-in-one USB bar designed for those small to medium room spaces. It's designed to be paired with the Poly G9 IP base kit, which is really the brains of your Windows room kit. In the box, you'll find everything that you need to get started. Firstly, it's going to come with your mounting bracket. No need for anything to go on the wall. Essentially, just screw it in with your hand and away you go. And here's something new. The V12 is also powered through PoE, which means a single cable for both your network and also your power. This shift to power over Ethernet is part of a bigger trend. Simpler installs, fewer cables are all part of that future connected meeting room space. Once connected to the G9 IP base kit, this becomes a fully certified Microsoft Teams room system. Now, this isn't a standalone device. It's designed to work in harmony with the G9 IP base kit to provide you with that seamless Microsoft Teams experience. The V12 is designed for those small to medium room spaces. Think out to about 3.5–4 meters. From an audio perspective, we're able to bake in all of those Poly smarts around noise block and acoustic fence, so you can block out any of those unwanted noises. From a video perspective, it has a 4K camera, which allows us to bring in the Poly Director AI experience. So even though it's a standalone USB bar, we can still provide you with the group framing, speaker tracking, and the other framing experiences that you've come to expect in a Microsoft Teams scenario. And that's kind of it. It's really just that simple. There's no other cables, nothing else that you need, just a super simple, easy install for your next Microsoft Teams meeting room. And that's the Poly Studio V12. Built for Teams, but designed for what's next.